I think I'm going to go in off camera now and file a little bit of the rag off of there. And there's what we got so far. And right there's what you didn't see. Take that in there and bend it the opposite direction, right at the bottom of those tips. And that's what you missed. Now I'm just putting a little bit of a bevel around those two half circles. Now we come up here a little ways further and make another bend. And right there's what you missed. I'm beginning to like the looks of this. Now we'll start working on the details. Put a couple ears on it. Got a round nose punch here. What'd you lose? Now while I've got this round punch out, I'll do the nose. And that's enough. Now we'll do some eyes. So let's do the eyes first. The eyes have it. Nope, there's not enough room for that big one in there. So that little one worked just fine. And I'll use my center punch to put some whiskers on it. And we'll bend over those ears. Well, I shut off there because I had some company come. And I went ahead and made another one while he was here. Left the teeth out, and I do like that a lot better. And of course I put my touch mark on the back. So there it is, a bulldog, which you can make into a wall hook or whatever, but in this case it's got a bottle opener. But I do like how that turned out. There, always before I didn't have that fold in there. Just had 3 folds, this one, and this one, the layers. And I would chisel in the marks for the jowls. But I think that looks pretty nice with them in there in 3-dimensional. So that's all that. Y'all take care. If you got any questions, put them in the doobly-doo. We'll see y'all later.